So this is a mom attempting to do a makeup look in my hair. Hola a todos! Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra Velasco if you guys don't know me. Today I am going to be creating this look. If you guys want to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe down below. And let's just get started with this video. So this is a mom attempting to do a makeup look. I hope it comes out well. So I saw this look on Instagram and I loved how it looked, so I'm gonna try to recreate that. I'm gonna start off by using this Pond's moisturizer, and I got this one in Walgreens. I think it was like $6. Girl, let me just tell you, I don't really have any makeup, so this is the only things I have left of my youthfulness. I usually don't like to use foundation, but I'm going to use some for today since it's a special occasion. This one, that's True Match, and it's obviously lighter than me, but it was actually my mom's or my mother-in-law, so it's their skin tone, but I use it and I make it work with the what's it called, contour and powders that you put on top. So this one is the BB cream and it's the pore filler. I got this one a long time ago when I was pregnant with my daughter. So I guess I'm just gonna do this with my fingers. So I haven't set my foundation and I'm just gonna go in with my eyes because for the palette I'm gonna use this one, and let me tell you guys, this is the best palette ever that I know of. I'm sure there's a lot of better ones. So I've seen on Instagram where they show the eyeshadow look. First they put on a color and then they put on a color on top. And you guys know that before the crease color usually was like brown, a light brown color. Now it's one of the darkest colors, and then on top of that you blend one of the lightest colors, which is a different way to do makeup. I'm gonna take this kind of shimmery matte shade right here. So I'm just going to blend that. So there you go, I look like Dracula now, and I'm gonna go in with one of the lightest colors. I'm gonna choose this matte, shimmery matty shade, and I'm just going to blend that over that. Now I'm going to take the darkest blue color that I have, and I'm going to use this kind of pencil eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to go in the crease and just darken up that crease right there.
Wow, qué bonito, mami.
Thank you.
Qué bonito te pintas. ¿Cuántos colores tienes?
Sí, cuántos colores. So my kids are right next to me. Let's hope they let me do this makeup look. And I'm gonna take this green right here and mix it a little bit with yellow, and you get this color. And I'm just going to put that all over the lid. I think it's already cut enough. So I'm just going to curl my lashes because I usually do that before I do my eyeliner. For the eyeliner, I'm gonna take this little brush and then this, I don't know what it is, I had it for a long time, and I'm just going to dab that a little bit on my hand. Okay, so that was a fail because it was too dry and it did not work. So I'm just gonna use the eyeliner that's left, the only thing that's left in here. Can you guys see? My daughter went in there and for the bottom lash line, I'm going to use the same green and yellow color.
Red.
And I'm going to focus that mostly on the inner part of the eye. I'm just going to take the darkest blue color that I used at the end and just put it on the outer part of the lash line. Okay, so now on for the lashes, which is the funniest part because one of my last makeup videos I tried to put on lashes and you guys saw how that went. It was kind of funny, but I am going to attempt to see how this one turns out. So I'm gonna use these ones right here, which are the fullest lashes that I have left. And I bought these in Ross, by the way, so let's see how it goes. Okay guys, I'm back and I got myself prepared this time, and I have scissors, the glue, my tweezers, and a mirror. So this time I brought the scissors to cut them a little bit because last time they did not fit, so I'm just going to cut a little bit at the end so it doesn't poke my eye on the inside. Here's what they look like. So first I'm going to put one layer of mascara, and I'm going to use the Lash Blast Volume from CoverGirl. And I saw that video of the girl, what's her name? The girl that says "Cash me outside." And she said to layer the glue, so that's what I'm going to do. And then let it get tacky, and here we go.
Red. I need your rainbow sheet.
So this time, as you guys can see, I put them on better. This is how they turned out, and I'm so happy they turned out the first time. I'm going to take the dark brown Stay Put brow color, and I'm going to take this eyebrow brush, and I'm just going to do my eyebrows. And I usually start in the middle on the arch, and I usually extend my arch up and out. So guys, remember in past videos I said that I have this concealer? Well, I finally found it, and it's from MAC Studio, and I got this one for $2-3 in TJ Maxx. So I'm just going to conceal the eyebrow part. Today I am going to take my daughter to the dance school, which I'm so happy for. As we moms know, it gets late so fast, so we have to hurry. We're almost always in a hurry. And I'm just going to take this little beauty blender and just blend. Okay, so next I'm going to take this face palette. You guys know the drill. And I'm going to go in with this highlighter. So I'm going to highlight on the inner corner. Thank you for the ones who have still been supporting me, and for the ones that comment nice things. Okay, for one of the last parts, I'm going to use this CoverGirl powder, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. For the contour, I think I need to use something else. Use the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take the same brush that I used to put the powder on, and I'm going to use these two colors right here. Okay, now for the lips, I'm actually going to put this color on first. You guys know that I don't own any lipsticks except one. It's red, so it doesn't really go with this look. And then I'm going to use the Ellen Tracy palette, eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take a mix of these two colors right here. And since this is a very special day for me and my daughter, I am going to curl my hair. I have not curled my hair in so long. I cannot remember the last time that I curled my hair. So this is going to be very special, and I will see you guys up next. So this is the finished product, and I'm going to use this Ultimate Hairspray that I got in Marshall's. And I love how this came out. My hair is so shiny. Finally, after so many years, I used to dye it so much before I got pregnant with my daughter. So my hair was really damaged and I cut it so many times and I dyed it so many times. Lighter mostly. I bleached my hair and you know how that damages your hair so much. So I'm so happy that it's finally shiny again and it's my natural color. I love my natural color. Maybe I need to get a little bit of highlights, but I love this color. I cannot say that I'm not going to dye it anymore because I don't know if I will or not. So this is the finished look. I'm not going to run my fingers through it because there's still a couple of hours left before my husband gets home and before we take my daughter to the dance classes, so because it is going to fall down a little bit more. But I love how it turned out and you guys see all the movement. So this is the finished look, you guys. I really loved how it came out. I hope you guys like it too. Let me get up close so you guys can see the makeup and my hair. I love how this looked out. I never get ready like this anymore, so I'm so kind of like happy that I got ready because this is a special occasion. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below if you want to see more videos of this kind or any kind. Comment them down below. Give this video a like and hasta luego. You make me